precious little lamb. Ever glad at heart I am, for my shepherd gently guides me, knows my needs and well provides me, loves me every day the same, even calls me by my name. Day by day at home away, Jesus is my staff and stay. When I hunger, Jesus feeds me, into pleasant pastures leads me. When I thirst, He bids me go, where the quiet waters flow. Who's so happy as I am, even now the shepherd's lamb? And when my short life is ended, by His angel hosts attended, He shall fold me